When hygienic cleanliness is required without using aggressive chemicals, one thing is key: powerful hot steam. That is exactly what the Cleancraft Steam Cleaner SG36 stands for. Grease, bacteria, and stubborn dirt can be reliably removed from a wide variety of surfaces. The compact steam cleaner is versatile in its use. It is particularly effective at removing grease stains as well as cleaning upholstery and carpets. The steam volume can be easily adjusted to the surface and level of dirt using a control knob. An integrated digital display provides information on the current steam temperature at all times. Steam exits the lance at least 100 degrees Celsius for effective hygienic cleaning. These specialized cleaning cloths enable a surface temperature of at least 98 degrees Celsius throughout the cleaning process. Additionally, distilled water can be refilled during operation without interrupting the heating phase. High-quality stainless steel and durable components ensure a long service life and low maintenance. With a working pressure of 6 bar and a steam flow rate of up to 80 grams per minute, this device is specifically designed for your most demanding cleaning tasks. Included in the standard delivery are a flexible steam hose with a handle, 2 extension tubes, various brushes and nozzle attachments, a curved lance, and a microfiber cloth for versatile cleaning tasks right from the very first use. The Cleancraft Steam Cleaner SG36 combines deep hygienic cleaning, high performance at a boiler temperature of up to 165 degrees Celsius, and various flexible application options in one compact device. It provides clean results wherever hygiene is absolutely crucial.